about you every day. I thought that you will always stay. You promised that you'll never leave me even I'm too far away. Is this another consequence of not having much confidence? Sorry for being incompetent at not accepting compliment even we don't have chemistry. Always got my eye on you and spent too much energy but I didn't get the W. Ngayon ikay palaging nasa aking isipan. Pagbitaw mo na parang hindi lubos pinag-isipan. Sa bawat araw nagdaan aking kinalimutan. Pagmamahal sa'yo ng todo ay pinagsisihan, pero walang magagawa kung yan ang kagustuhan. Okay na ako na naging panandali ang kasiyahan. Araw-araw talo kaya di nasusugal. Mga alaala mo sa gabi na sa akin ay sumasakal. Ngunit nadasal ko pa rin ng iyong kaligtasan. Hinihiling sa taas na ikaw ay kanyang ingatan.
That was love, yeah, I enjoyed, but when we did break up my heart is going to explode. That was love, yeah, I enjoyed, but when we did break up my heart is going to explode. I thought you are the bride that I will marry at the mass. I'm hoping you're the last girl but you threw me as a trash. Yeah, I gave a lot of flowers, showed up a good manners. Respect you cause I love you, I just wasted all my cash. Dang! O pag-ibig ginigising na ako, pinipilit mata mo kaligayahan. Hay nako, naiipit na sa'yo ngunit siningit mabuo. Lamang ang pusong nanlumo, sumisirit ang dugo. Obligado kong bawasan nung ako ay napuno. Ang dami mong nasasayang nang ikaw ang napuno. Sumasalok, natatakot man sa ating nagulo. Napapasok at ang kaso'y sa dugo mong kumulo. Di lahat kayang dalhin parang paagaw ng bigas. Hinaing ay nasa gitna ng sabayang pagbigkas. Tila-lila ang paligid madalas kong mag-ubas. Pambihira, inalila ng litrato mong kupas. Kaya di na ginalugad ang ligayang nawala. Kung may lilitaw na puga, di na ako titingala. Halin tulad to sa mga nagdaang pagtatanghal. Di sumuko, iniukol at patuloy nagmahal. That was love, yeah, I enjoyed, but when we did break up my heart is going to explode. That was love, yeah, I enjoyed, but when we did break up my heart is going to explode.